everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me plus like a sort of Q&A chit chat get ready with me. So a few days ago, I saw Ritika the Beauty Co wearing this look on her stories and I loved that look and I was like, I had to try it for myself. So I've tried to recreate it. Of course, I'm giving her full credit. I'm going to make sure to link her Instagram also in the description box below. So this is my attempt at creating the look that she wore. Other than that, I have used a lot of new products. I think at least 50% of the products are new products. Yeah, so we're just gonna chat, and if you're interested in this very unusual look, very out of my comfort zone wala look, then keep on watching. So let's start with skin prep. I'm gonna start off with my Wow Tea Tree Serum, Anti-Acne Serum. Now you guys keep asking for like a get ready with me a makeup tutorial, but I feel like there are so many people who can do it way better than me. So I'm gonna try and do one every month just so that you guys get what you're asking for. But at the same time, instead of like giving like a tutorial, I'm gonna do like a chit chat, life update, Q&A sort of a video so that it's entertaining and like informational also. For moisturizer, I'm using this Olay Regenerist Whip. If I'm doing like a day-to-day very light makeup for like everyday basis, then I'll use the Pond's wala moisturizer. I actually used to use the Face Shop Hydro Creme, Chia Seed Hydro Creme if you remember, but a lot of you guys said that it was really expensive, so I switched to something a little bit more affordable. I've been trying out a lot of moisturizers for you guys and I feel like these are really good. The Olay is really good for like a heavy face of makeup, and then Pond's is really good for like an everyday, especially if you have an oily skin type. Next, I'm using this Becca's Backlight Priming Filter. You guys know I don't really like using primers, but I use this as kind of like a illuminator, like to help with that glow from within. So I use this underneath my foundation on the high points of my face, as you can see. Let's just get done with the base and then I can like start talking and giving you guys updates and answering some of your questions. Now this Becca product is very expensive, but it's very pretty. I really enjoy wearing it on bare skin, and on like an everyday basis I'll use it like a highlighter. It looks so natural and so pretty. Foundation, using the same old foundation, both of them are from Maybelline. I'm mixing Superstay with Fit Me, and in this I'm also using the Backlight Primer from Becca for more luminosity. By the way, all the shades and details are going to be mentioned in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to start talking now. So I wanted to give you guys not really too many live updates now that I think of it, just one actually. So I've actually started doing yoga in the morning and I've been waking up early. So I've been waking up at 8:30 in the morning, which is life-changing for me. I really have been enjoying it. So quick like story time behind this. My mom has been doing yoga ever since like the beginning of lockdown. So she wakes up at like 4:30, does yoga at 5:30, like Zoom yoga of course, and she really likes it, really enjoys it. She's been behind my dad and I to like join. My dad recently gave in and he's been doing yoga for a few months as well, and she was behind my life to join yoga, right? I wasn't really giving in. On her birthday, the vlog that you saw, I did vlog the whole thing, link in the description. On the same day, she told me actually that I want a gift from you, and I was like, okay, sure, tell me, what is it that you want? And she was like, you have to join yoga class. And I was like, oh shit, now there's no way of me like going back. So I was like, okay, like I'll join. I was like, I'll just do it for a month and then I'll stop. But I've been doing it for 2 weeks at this point, and I do really enjoy it. In my recent video, I mentioned how I've been consuming coffee, and I feel like that is what has been really helping me with my motivation and also energy, of course. But now that I think of it, I don't think it's the coffee. I mean, maybe it is the coffee partially, but I feel like 80-90% is the yoga. So yeah, that's probably one of the biggest life updates. I sleep on time, I wake up on time, I get so much done. I mean, even before I would get a lot of things done, but now I can get a lot more things done comparatively and more efficiently and without a lot of stress. Most importantly, pehle I would just stress over how little time I have. I mean, even now I still feel sometimes ki bahut kam time hai, but to bhi ab better hai, you know what I mean? Comparatively, it's easier and nicer. Yeah, so that's all I have when it comes to like life update. I almost dropped the concealer on my white top. So by the way, for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind. So as I was saying, that's all for my life updates. So I've actually been seeing a few questions and comments in the comment section from you guys regarding certain things, so I thought I would address those as well in today's video. So a really cute comment that I've been getting from you guys is that you guys want me to use my birthday series wala intro as like my main intro, and you guys missed that intro, which is so cute. I mean, I really liked this year's intro as well, but I'm not gonna bring it back because it was a birthday series ka intro, right? So I wanted to just be that and not make it my main intro. I am actually working on a main channel, like my permanent intro, which I'll use in the beginning of all of my videos, but I'm a little confused. So help me out with this, okay? So it's October right now, right? By the time I make the intro, it'll be like November, beginning of November. So I'll use that for a month and then it'll be December, which is Vlogmas. So I'm of course going to be making like a full-fledged intro for that as well. So of course I can't use my permanent wala intro in December, right? So does it actually even make sense to make an intro for a month and then again start using it in January? Am I making sense? I really hope I am. What I think the logical thing to do is just to wait and have an intro ready for the new year so I can start using it from January. You know what I mean? Instead of using it in November and then again using it in January, I think it's just better to wait right now and then publish, release that new intro in January and start using it permanently. That's where I am at. Of course, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and of course I'll go off of that. And by the way, if you have any like suggestions for like that permanent intro, let me know. I do have like a fair idea of what I want it to be like, but I'm always open to you guys' suggestions. Using Maybelline's Fit Me powder. For the most part, my base products, all of my base products are the same. दूसरे सारे products नए हैं. Time for some bronzer. I'm using the Wet n Wild's Color Icon bronzer. Fun fact, I have only this one brush. I forgot to carry all of my brushes there back home, so I'm just using my sponge and this one little brush for everything. Anyway, let's talk about the giveaway. So we hit 100k on Instagram somewhere towards the end of September, I think. No, the beginning of October, I believe, or the end of September, I don't really remember. And I never really posted like a celebration image, you know, and I did that actually on purpose because I knew mere followers girne wale for sure as soon as I released the giveaway winners, and as I predicted, that's what happened. Right now I think I'm at 98k, so I've lost about 2,000-3,000 subscribers, followers, and honestly I don't really mind it at all. Like, I don't really care about numbers. It doesn't bother me whatsoever, and I'm so glad that it is like that because I used to be in a space where it would bother me so much, and now I'm a lot more like comfortable. Yeah, of course it's a big deal to hit 100k on Insta, and I was excited, but it's okay, we'll get there again. So talking more about the giveaway, I wanted to address a few comments that I got again, in spite of saying, like, giving a bunch of disclaimers. The first one being that I give my giveaways to my close friends. Like, I make fake profiles myself and then I make those fake profiles win. Why would I do that, guys? Like, it does not make any sense. I let my friends like pick whatever they want from my stash. Like, if they want anything, they're free to take it. Why would I orchestrate like an entire giveaway and then make fake accounts and then make those fake accounts win? It doesn't make any sense. It's too much of work, to be honest. And I hope this doesn't come off in the wrong way, but I honestly have enough stuff already, like, ready for Vlogmas. For all 30 days of Vlogmas, I have enough stuff. So why would I go through such lens, honestly? So I got a lot of comments like those. It's very disheartening, to be very honest, because I just want to give back. And when you see such comments, it's just very sad, you know. But okay, it's okay. It's part and parcel of the whole process, I guess. Using the same L'Oreal blush. This is literally the only blush that I have at this point. I need to get a few new blushes. Leave some recommendations for me in the description, in the comments down below, please. I do want to get a few new blushes for myself. I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm using the Nykaa's brow pencil and I'll be back in a second. Brows are done. I'm going to do my eyes using this Huda Beauty palette, which is called Nude Medium. It has some really beautiful shades. So I'm going to start off with this shade and then I'm going to deepen up my crease using this one. These are the only two colors that I'm going to use in my crease. Okay, so let's talk about sponsorships. So you might see a lot of sponsored videos this month, September. Want to be 100% transparent, saying कि हाँ बहुत सारे sponsored videos हो गए ये महीने के लिए. In October, did I say September पहले? I meant October. It's only because for my birthday month, the September month, I did not want to do a lot of sponsored videos for that month because I wanted to just produce a lot of organic content for you guys. So I pushed all of my sponsored videos for the next month without even realizing कि कितना ज़्यादा backlog हो जाएगा, and there would be a lot of like sponsored videos back to back for October, and that's what is happening. It's my bad honestly, but of course you guys have to be like rest assured कि I'm not just doing like sponsored videos for the hell of it. They're good brands, they're good products that I'm promoting, but हाँ back to back थोड़े होंगे sponsored videos, just a heads up. Another comment that I saw very recently is कि why don't you disclose that videos are sponsored? Guys, every video, whichever video is sponsored, I always mention it in the description box ki this video is sponsored by. Actually, I always say that Dash is a sponsor partner for this video because if you've noticed, I don't really do dedicated videos. What I mean by that is that my entire video isn't an ad. I only do integrated videos, which means ki only some part of the video is sponsored by a particular brand instead of the whole video being sponsored by the brand. I hope I'm making sense. I do this actually deliberately because I feel like doing like an entire sponsored video is just not my vibe, because our channel is not like a review channel, and also on top of that I feel very restricted when it comes to like my creative liberty, because then it's kind of completely directed by the brand. So I would rather just do an integrated video and do it on my terms. Yeah, you definitely get paid a lot when you do a dedicated video as compared to an integrated video, but it's okay. I would rather do an integrated video and make less money. Also, talking about disclosing that it's a sponsored video in the video, I would actually love to do that, but the thing is that a lot of brands don't want you to say that. It is very sad, I know, but it is what it is. I have actually said it a lot of times in my videos, and then when the brand approves the video, they ask me to get rid of it, and when they ask me to get rid of it, like verbally when I'm saying it, I make it a point to let them know ki hey, even though I'm cutting this out of my video, I will make it a point to mention it in my description box always. This I do even when I'm doing a sponsored post on Instagram. There's always a hashtag ad. Even when I'm doing stories में भी मैं डाल देती हूँ hashtag ad. अगर ad है तो लिख देती हूँ मैं कि ad है, even if I don't say it verbally. Okay, next I'm using this glitter. So this is by this brand called Lime Crime, which has very recently launched on Nykaa. So I'm using this in the shade Rose Gold. It's so pretty. Okay, so there's one more question actually regarding sponsorships, and it is ki how does a new product like launch in the market, and how is it already like your favorite? You know what I mean? And I understand where you're coming from, but let me break it down for you. Okay, so I did put on my lashes by René, and then I use this mascara, which is my new favorite. It's the L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. Okay, so as I was talking about sponsorships, okay, so a lot of times brands launch a new product or they launch a new range, and that's when they'll approach YouTubers or influencers to promote their product. At that point, they don't necessarily look at sales, they more so want visibility ki audience ko pata ho ki hey look, there's a new, for example, let's say a vitamin C range by XYZ brand. So that's the motto at that point of time. So these brands will come up to us and they'll pitch ki hey look, this is the new range that's launching, would you be interested in spreading awareness? So a lot of times I too get approached by these brands, and I'll use that product. If it's good, then I'll show it to you guys. Certain facts that the brand wants you to put across, you put those across. So not necessarily, if you will see in every video, I don't say I love this product, but having said that, I will not promote a product if it's bad. You know what I mean? I have to like that product personally. There have been so many times, in fact, just abhi in the beginning of October, there was this brand which came up to me. It was a shampoo and a conditioner. Okay, I used it and I told them, look, I do not like this. It did not work for me, even though it's a new launch. They were like, okay, we'll send you another range, let's see if that works out for you. So I'm still trying that out, and I'll show it to you guys only if it works for me. So that's the scene with new product launches. I don't like start loving a product the minute it's like new in the market, and if I love the product, of course I'll say that I love the product. But if I've very recently started using it, I'll also say that like, look, I have been using this for a week or two and I've been really enjoying it so far. I hope that made sense. I'm gonna move move on to lipstick. This is literally going to complete the whole look together. So this is by Lime Crime and this is in the shade Wicked. It's almost like a black. It's a super dark maroon. I think those were all the questions that I had like listed down to answer. Let me know if you guys like this format, and I can do it every month, like where I collect your FAQs from the comments and then just like answer it and give you kind of like an update. So that's what the lip looks like. I know it's very vampy and very out there, definitely out of my comfort zone, but I like it. Like, it's nice. I'm just gonna apply some highlighter. So the highlighter that I'm using is by Becca again, and this is in the shade Opal. So I think that's basically about it for all the questions. I'm just gonna hurry up and finish this because I'm about to like start shooting a video with Mansi. We're doing a really fun video. If it's already up, I'll make sure to link it down below. But we're actually not filming a truth or drink today. We'll do that this week. But today we're doing a different video, which I'm actually very excited about. And I think you guys will quite enjoy it as well. Packing loads of this in my inner corners just to open up my eyes. And yeah, that's it for today's video. This is the look that I came up with. I think I did an okay-ish job. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!